Hey guys, so today is a Valentine's Day. I went home today early from my work so we can buy roses flower for the Valentine's Day for my wife. And then we're gonna be staying at the Grand Hyatt Manchester, San Diego. It's one of the iconic hotel here. And then we're gonna eat at the Tom Hams brunch, Sunday brunch buffet. So yeah, basically just enjoying and a staycation. So we're gonna surprise her. We're gonna buy some flowers. Guys, so we're here. This looks beautiful, assorted one, and I'm trying to decide which one we can get. Maybe we should get the pink one. It's a pink one right here. Yeah, looks nice. It's a 2,000, so $34.99. Let's get some cake. Get some asparagus for the steak. Okay, this one. Let's get some strawberry. Let's make it 2. Alright guys, so we're gonna get some steak. This ribeye steak, $60.86. Alright, we're gonna pick up some A1 steak. For the steak.
Hả? Bên tay.
Yeah.
Bên tay là đẹp.
All right, this is what we did on the strawberry right here that I
made
bought from Costco. So my daughter did this.
Lindt dark chocolate for this, and I have the
Oh,
Lindt
see?
white chocolate.
And we use Lindt chocolate on this.
Like all the chocolate.
Special. All right, guys. So happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Happy Valentine's.
Okay, we have a ribeye steak. Happy Valentine's, Mommy. Happy Valentine's, Bless. Happy Valentine's, Lucky.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And we have asparagus right here. And then we have the dessert here.
I made
It's
that.
the strawberry chocolate coated chocolate.
It's a chocolate covered strawberry.
Yeah, and then we have the beautiful
Apple
healthy
celery.
drinks right here. Cheers, everyone!
Mine is carrot orange.
Cheers, Lucky! All of us.
Cheers! Happy Valentine's! Thank you, Papa God.
So we cooked this steak. So we're gonna go to the Grand Hyatt. How's the Grand Hyatt Manchester, guys? And then this is
We
the
love the Grand Hyatt. I love the
Here's the
swimming
steak
pool
right
there.
here.
It's big.
How's the steak, everybody?
Very good.
It's a 5-star.
Perfect.
It's a ribeye steak, guys.
I'm gonna get some asparagus.
Mmm.
Did you show the cake? Oh yeah, we got cake.
Now we have cake also.
We should make it.
But you want steak? Nobody used this one. Hmm? You like it?
I forgot.
Hmm. How's your steak? Perfect. There's a garlic. There's an onion.
Onion.
And asparagus. Here, asparagus. It's vegetable.
Oh yeah.
Good. Eat it.
That's
It's
good.
good for you. You're gonna turn into Sonic
Yeah.
if you eat that.
Working on like this, huh?
Ano? Kasi ito, okay? Ano? We have flowers for Mommy right here.
That is surprise. That's 24. Oh, and I also made this. I put a ton of chocolate on it
Nice. We're eating this with rice
because
Because-
rice is life.
because the rice is light. Can't live
Forever.
without rice. You try with A1 steak. You see? Yeah, that's the sauce for the.
Remove the side down.
Mmm.
Only that. Only this. You eat this baby until the only
Oh yeah.
only this.
Here's everyone.
So cut yours with
Alright, more dessert right here is the tuxedo cake. Wow, looks yummy. Look at that. Look at the layer of the cake. And here's our steak right here, and we got asparagus almost done. And this is the special homemade strawberry coated chocolate strawberry cake.
I made that. We got chocolate coated strawberries.
Yeah, they're big one, right? The big size.
And yeah, they have these stems, so it was pretty easy for
It's
me to
really
hold it.
designed for that.
Yeah, we can
All right, and we have the tuxedo cake right here.
It's
Wow, it's the best right here. So yummy. Look at that. How much is this in the restaurant, guys?
expensive for a tiny slice.
Yeah, and let's go. Look at that.